Right behind me is the airport of Nicaragua. If you're coming to the Nicaragua, you're gonna be landing on this airport. And then this video is dedicated to showing you the top 5 hotels nearest to the airport. We're gonna look at a couple of things. We're gonna look at price point, we're gonna look at comfort, we're gonna look at distance. We're also gonna look at if they offer ride share to bring you to the airport, and whether they have breakfast and a pool. So let's go ahead and jump right in. These are the top 5 hotels closest to the Managua airport. Hotel number 1, the good old Best Western, a 3-minute walk from the airport. We just crossed the street and famously you're already here. Let's go check on the prices and everything else. All right, the good old Best Western. Let's take a look at the recent reviews that we've had here. So the Best Western's been around for a long time. It has over 2,300 reviews on Google Reviews, and it has 4.3 stars. So that is amazing in my opinion. All right, the latest comment: rooms 4 stars, service 5 stars, location 5 stars. So it looks like this person had a good time staying at the Best Western. So now it comes to pricing. Let's talk about pricing. So pricing, it's $138 for one person to stay the night here. It is high season right now in Nicaragua, and I've seen it as low as $80 to $100 just for one night. So keep in mind that you are paying for the proximity to the airport, because the airport is right over there and you can just walk over. So that's the price point. Another benefit of this airport is that it has a restaurant on the side all the way over there, so you could eat. And also it includes breakfast, and it has a restaurant on site, and you get a pool and Wi-Fi. So this is the Best Western, your option number 1 if you want to stay the closest to the airport and get your flight early morning. So right behind me is Airport X. Now Airport X is about 1.8 kilometers away from the airport, or actually a 6-minute drive. So we had to take a little drive into town away from the airport, but nothing crazy. Now this airport here is kind of awesome. I just talked to the receptionist. It costs $49 for 2 people to stay. The room has AC, you have Wi-Fi, and it includes breakfast in the morning. Now in terms of transportation costs, this hotel here will set up transportation for you for $5 just to get you to the airport. So I feel like this is a killer deal, a very budget-friendly hotel. The only thing it doesn't have is a pool, but I think you can live with that. The rooms have AC, which is a must that you need here in Nicaragua. Airport X has a total of 633 reviews on Google, and it has an overall star rating of 4, which is amazing. I'm only showing you 4 stars because I want you guys to land in a good place, not some place where you're not gonna have a good experience. The most recent comment from Casey: rooms 5 stars, service 5 stars, location 5 stars, and I would agree. This one's definitely a good pick right here. Different from Best Western. Best Western, you're right in front of the hotel, so you have that convenience. You can just walk over. Here you have to take a little bit of a taxi, but you end up saving $80. Let's move on to hotels number 3. So right behind me is Hotel Christie. Now Christie is a total of 1.6 kilometers away from the airport, so a quick around 6 to 8 minute drive. It's actually within the same neighborhood as Airport X. Airport X is about a few blocks that way. So let's take a look on the reviews for Hotel Christie and how's everything going there. Hotel Christie has 140 reviews, total star rating of 4.3 stars. Let's look at the reviews. The most recent reviews is from Bumbutt 8 months ago, so I'm not sure how accurate that is. Tiny overpriced rooms because of the location near the airport. The hotel has a kitchen, but you aren't allowed to use it. It's owned by Airport X, and they don't let you use the kitchen, so you have to buy food from their overpriced restaurant. So maybe it's the same owner as this as over there, but who knows. This guy, again, has been 8 months. But if you scroll down, there's a guy named Christian. He wrote rooms 5 stars, service 5 stars, location 5 stars. The price of this hotel is actually only $40, so it's on the lower end of the hotel spectrum. I want you guys to take a look at this map here. So we're 1.5 kilometers away from the airport, and this is where we've been looking at the hotels. This is actually a gated community. I was let in by a security guard that opened the door. Granted, he didn't ask me anything, but within this community here, you have a bunch of hotels that you can look for, and they're actually more affordable than the hotels that are bigger and closer to the airport even. So this area is good for someone that's looking to save money. It's a safe area. There's not a lot of people walking around. You're kind of away from the hustle and bustle. So for the next hotels, the next two, I want to show you guys something different. So I need to move away from this neighborhood, because now that you've seen two hotels here, you get an idea what kind of vibe it is and what kind of value you get for your money. So it's better to step away to a different region so you get more of a broader spectrum. So right behind me is Hotel Agualcas. So I've actually personally stayed here before, and I can tell you that it's a good hotel for the price. I just went in there and asked how much are they charging. It's peak season right now. They said it costs a total of $60 for the night. It includes breakfast in the morning, you have Wi-Fi, you have a pool. And right now we are a total of 3.3 kilometers away from the airport. So a short drive to the airport. I did ask about transportation, and they told me that for your transportation between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. they'll take you to the airport for free. If you have to travel between 8 p.m. till 5 in the morning, it's gonna cost $20. So overall, this is a good budget hotel. You are a little bit further away from the airport, and you are in a very busy street with not much nightlife here. So if you want to go do something, you have to take a taxi. I think that this is perfect for someone that's looking for a budget friendly hotel to get better amenities. So let's go on to number 5. If you're new to the channel, by the way, welcome. I didn't introduce myself. My name is Elton, and I am living in Nicaragua while I'm building a coffee farm that I inherited after my family passed away. I made a promise to them that I was gonna keep the legacy alive, and we were gonna build the farm for future generations to come. So in doing so, I make content about farming here in Nicaragua. I showcase the people, and I also showcase life in Nicaragua, specifically all the hidden gems and all the unusual stuff that you won't see in video. And you're kind of getting a local's guide, because I've been here for such a long time that I know the in and outs. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, please do so. 70% of people that watch this channel aren't subscribed, so we're trying to get that number down to 0. So join the team, join us, so you can get content about Nicaragua, about coffee, alternative living, living abroad, and everything else that comes along with that jazz. Let's move on to number 5. So welcome to hotel number 5, Globales Camino Real. Now this hotel is 2.2 kilometers away from the airport, actually closer than number 4, Agualcas, that we just came from. Now this hotel costs $125 for a room with 2 beds. I'm gonna show you inside in a bit, since I am staying here tonight. I need to go get my wife from the airport. But before we jump inside, we need to look at the reviews, because this is our tradition. Now let's look at the reviews. So reviews, this hotel has a total of 1,901 reviews, so that it has been put through the ringer with some people. They have been tested, and overall star rating is a 4.5. So it scores very well for the amount of people that stayed here. And the most recent review is from Kathy. She rated the rooms a 4, service a 4, a location a 4. And then after that, Bjorn, rooms a 5, service a 5, and location a 5. Overall, positive reviews for this hotel. And we're gonna jump inside and I'm gonna give you a tour. But before I do, I wanna show you something cool. Check out what they have here in this hotel. Have like a little zoo of these beautiful tropical birds here. Look at that, look how awesome. Let me see if I can spot them over here. They're all the way up there. There's one that's closer right here, look. Look how beautiful that is. That is amazing. These guys are having a party here. Look at that one hanging from the swing over there. Damn, he loves it here. Oh, they also have some other birds. They have a toucan and they have some parrots up there. I forgot the name of these birds. They're called a macaw? I don't know. If you know, comment below what is the name of these birds here. I forgot the name. I can recognize the parrot and toucan, but I can't remember the names of these guys here. So one of the cool things about this hotel here is that it has a casino right next door. So you can actually put your bags in there and come spend the night, have a beer or a drink, watch the boxing match, watch the basketball game, and maybe gamble a little bit if that's what you're into. If you're not into that, the hotel actually has a restaurant on site and it has a pool and a couple other amenities we're gonna check out. Coming inside, you're greeted by this beautiful lobby. I like that they're getting in the Christmas spirit here. This is being filmed in December. That's why it's the peak season here in Nicaragua. So you have a beautiful lobby over here where you can come hang out. They have Christmas trees, and if you walk that way, you can actually make it to the casino. They do have a restaurant on site where you can order food, which we're gonna do in a bit, so you can see the type of food you can get here. And that price point includes breakfast too. So with that $125, you do get breakfast in the morning, which is very good. So over there you have the pool area where people are hanging out. Very super nice pool area. And you can enjoy a good beer here, order food, and they'll bring it to you. So the restaurant area is over here, over there, and back over here too. You can order anything from steak. I'm excited. Actually, I'm not gonna talk about food anymore because we'll order some food while we're here. Let's head to the room so we can check out the room size here. This is what it looks like down the hallways. This is where I love this hotel. It is big, it is expansive, and you feel like you're in this beautiful resort for the price point. And it is cheaper than the Best Western by like $8 too. I mean, take a look at this greenery right here. Remember to subscribe to the channel. So this is the room that I'm staying in tonight, and you have 2 beds, very comfortable beds, and you have air conditioning, which is important here in Managua, Nicaragua. You have a nice little sofa area if you need to write a few things, edit. I love my view here with these tropical plants out in the background, but you also have a shade cover if you want to fully black out your room. Nice, simple, functional room. It's not the biggest room, but I absolutely like it. It's exactly what I need. Let me show you guys the bathroom here in this hotel. We're gonna open this door and then take a look. Here's a bathroom. Very modern bathroom. The hot water gets very hot, so if you're into hot showers, this is the freaking bathroom for you here. Overall, good room. I like it. I like it a lot. So we're about to have some lunch right now. I think I'm gonna get a churrasco típico, which is a nice grilled piece of beef with gallo pinto, which is a local staple here in Nicaragua, along with plantains and cheese. And on top of that, I got a nice drink, which is a nice lemonade. So we're gonna eat nice dinner here because it is a good restaurant, it's on site, and it's local, so I don't need to drive anywhere. That's one of the benefits of this restaurant here that I like. I just got my food right now, and yeah, check it out. Would you take a look at that piece of meat right there? Look how delicious. Look at the sear marks, some nice beans, some cheese, some plantain, some spicy sauce, some beautiful lemonade, some nice weather, tropical weather, some good people. This is what Nicaragua is about over here. Let's try it out. So we're gonna try with the meat by itself. I ordered it medium rare and it's cooked to perfection. Wow. It just melts in your mouth. It's so good. With a little bit of beans. Wow, this is hitting the spot. I was hungry making the videos for you guys here. I'm glad I ordered this here. Amazing. We have the orange sauce that we're gonna try. Ooh, spicy. Oh my god, it has a kick. Then they gave me like a chimichurri sauce. Wow, these people don't miss. I'm gonna put some of this on the steak right here, along with a little bit of spicy in my life. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this beautiful meal in this beautiful country. I have to say that out of all the pics that I've been showing you, muchas gracias. Out of all the pics I've been showing you, you can't really go wrong with any of them. It really comes down to what you want. If you want something a little bit nicer, and you're okay with taking a ride or a taxi, I recommend this hotel here. If you want to save money, then I would go to hotels 2 to 3, which were in that closed community that I showed you. If you want something a little bit nicer but not spending as much, then I would go to hotel number 4. So I'm showing you guys a good balance of all these hotels, but you really can't go wrong. And if you can, I suggest spending the money. So now in terms of transportation, it does cost $5 to get from here to the airport. So they have a shuttle and you can go at any time. So that is very reasonable in my opinion and good price. So what do you guys think? We explored 5 options. We went from expensive, which would be the Best Western, but the most convenient because it's right in front of the airport. We went to the cheaper areas, that little zone of the closed community. We went a little further away to Agualcas, which is still economical, a good bang for your buck. And then we came to this one that's right in between, not the most expensive, but definitely in my opinion the best one with the vibe here. You can go gamble, casinos, you can eat, you have nightlife, very colonial, open air. Let me know what you think below, which one you like. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content about Nicaragua. It's your Coffee Familia signing off. Adios.